subscribe and press the bell icon. Hello friends, welcome back to another exciting product unboxing vlog. Now in this box we have the most liked top brand BOSCH impact screwdriver tool, which I am going to reveal within seconds. Now the seal is opened, I am taking the product out. Here we have the impact driver, nothing else in the box. Whether you wanna use it for bike service or electronic repairs or carpentry works, this tool makes sure your work done in smooth way without struggling. Behind the pack, the manufacturing details mentioned along with the price. It's totally a 10-piece handy set. The link to buy this product is given in the description. Looking at the cover, it has Phillips bit number 1 and 2, positive bits number 1, 2 and 3, star or hexagonal internal bits of size 20 and 25, X key or Allen key 4 and 5 numbers. Let me open the sealed cover and then I will show you each and every bit in detail. I have many more product review video in my playlist, visit them. This just fits in my hand and very much grippy. This handy tool is ready to work for all purposes. Its precise bits makes our work easier and smoother finish. It's featured with forward, reverse and lock mode. In the display box are the 9 bits positioned at the end of the screwdriver. Now we come to the main part of this video. It's time to show you each and every bit. All bits are 25 mm in height. This is the first bit. It's heavy, hard with perfect finish. This one is the Allen or X key with number 4 size. Another Allen or X key with number 5 size. The tip of the bits are curved very soft such that they don't hurt your skin. Oil applied over the bits to avoid rust during stocking. This one is star or hexagonal internal bit with size 20. We have another star or hexagonal internal bit with size 25. Let's keep it aside. Here comes our series of most commonly used bits for many purposes and it's Phillips bit with size number 1. Keep it aside. I'm showing the bits very slowly so that if anyone wants to buy this product then they can take a close look at this product. Bits are tightly held to the cabins. Once we start to use them they become loose. Next bit is positive bit with size number 3. The tips are precise and smoothly finished. When unscrewing the screw they don't slip. Let me quickly show you the remaining bits. This one is another positive bit with size number 2. Next we have the Phillips bit with size number 2. We are remaining with final bit which is positive bit with size number 1. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video. You saw the bits and their tabs with close look. Link is in description to buy this product online, check it out. This 3-way ratchet handle provided with better grip including the ratchet set. It's 10 pieces but we get 9 pieces of bits with this product. Now I will show you how to switch the knob to use it in forward, reverse and put it in lock mode. Take the impact driver, see the knob is at middle and it's locked now. Switch the knob to down position, then you can use it for turning the screw in clockwise direction and it's freely movable in reverse direction. If you switch it to top position, then it can be used for turning the screw in anti-clockwise direction. and it's freely movable in forward direction. Put a bit and check. Downside now works for clockwise turning. As you can see, this ball helps to hold the bit tighter. Bosch always delivers best in market products. You can also use wrench for turning the screws. You can set the knob as per your requirement. I recommend this product for those who are looking for handy compact tools. I am sure this video helped you a lot in getting the full details of this product. I have uploaded many tools and products unboxing review videos in my channel and can be found in this channel's playlist. Please do subscribe to my channel and smash that like button and support to make new videos. Let me know if you have any questions regarding this product in comments. I will answer you quickly. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I will be coming back with another product review. See you in the next one. So why not go and quickly buy this product.